Hello. Today I will show you how to easy remove or change earpads for JBL Quantum 100 wired gaming headphones. These earpad cushions are attached to the body of the headset with plastic hooks. To remove the earpads, it is best to use a flat, blunt instrument, ideally a butter knife. Carefully place it behind the body of the earpads and slowly pull it off. Then order new replacement earpads online, available in different colors. Links to them are in the video description. Once you have the new earpad cushions, it is quite easy to put them back on. It is important that you also put an earpad cushion with left printed mark on the left side. The left side is usually the one with the cable-attached headphone body. The earpad cushion base needs to be put on and pushed down on those plastic hooks, if you hear a few clicks. That's it. The earpads are fixed in place and you can get back to gaming. If you found this video useful, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons. In the next video, I'll show you how to repair these headphones if one side doesn't sound or the microphone doesn't work. Good luck.